Most people think cashback apps are easy money, but what if I tell you the reality is very different? Today I tested Rakuten, did everything on camera, and what I discovered will probably save you from a big mistakes. Watch this carefully because things get varied. Opening the app. So here I am opening a Rakuten. Most users join this app thinking they earn quick points from survey or small task. What here are quick facts. More than 70% of Rakuten users don't know that survey come from a third party providers, not a Rakuten itself. That's exactly why I decided to test it myself with a full screen recording. Start the survey. You can clearly see me opening a survey that's promised 2 points. I answer every question honestly. No autofill, no speaking, or just. And during the survey, everything looked normal. But trust me, I twist come later. Point increased. After finishing the survey, guess what? Interested 2 points. I got a 5 points. For a moment I thought, okay, maybe this actually work. And here an interesting facts. App often show small wins in the beginning to build your trust. But the real test is what happened next. The hidden problems. Now watch carefully. Even after receiving 5 points, there was no cash out options, no conversion, no balance update, nothing. I checked everything sections, click every button, even refreshed the page. And here reality fact. It's a platform does not show a clear withdrawal methods. The point are basically useless. This is where things starting feeling suspicious. Point disappear. I log out and log in back, and just like magic, those 5 points were gone, completely vanished. No transaction history, no pending status, nothing. It was like I never earned them. Why this happened? Here the truth that most people don't know. Rakuten real system is built for cashback from a shoppings or partner store, not a random survey. Survey usually comes from third party companies that often reject a response without telling the users. So even if you complete the survey correctly, you point may never get approved. And the more I researched, the more shocking things I found. There are a hundred of users online saying the exact same things. Point appear for a moment and then disappear without any explanation. Some users even completed multiple surveys and received zero payment in the end. So it not just my experience. This issue is happening on a large scale, and pupils don't talk about it because they think it's their a mistake. Why cashback work without survey fail? Here one more important details. Rakuten only a cashback on shopping because the part is official connected to partner store like a Walmart, a Wist, Y and another. What survey are not controlled by Rakuten, they are handled by outside companies that can reject your response without showing any reasons. So even if you do everything correctly, your time might still go to waste. So here my final advice: use Rakuten only for real shopping cashback, not for survey. And if you want more reality test like this with no hype, no fake hopes, just honest result, and hit the subscribe button. I expose the truth behind every earn apps you suggest.